ThermoSiv. Heat makes sense. The world moves towards long-distance electric vehicle. In 2040, 54% of the vehicles in the world will use electric engines. The main challenge for car manufacturers is to extend the range of travel while maintaining comfort and safety of passengers. Heating is one of the most energy-consuming non-driving functions. Cold weather is one of the biggest challenges EVs face. ThermoSiv has developed a unique conductive smart fabric design for electric vehicles heating. Heating the entire interior with ThermoSiv heating pads lowers power consuming. ThermoSiv heating pads can warm each passenger individually while keeping radiant FIR comfort. ThermoSiv create energy-efficient EV, causing driving range increases by 20 to 40%. ThermoSiv heating pads are used also as a safety control capacitive touch, proximity sensors allowing a focused heating and passenger safety and comfort experience. ThermoSiv allows easy installation in a wide range of vehicles, from small vehicles to public transportation. ThermoSiv. Heat makes sense.